The company that inspired the desktop computer revolution has improved the system that started it all. Introducing the new 64C, a giant leap forward for the system that set the benchmark in small computer use for home, education, and business. A new 64 that retains its heritage of economy and ease of use while integrating the technological and software advances of the new age in computing. A system that will outperform any other similarly priced computer, providing value and performance in line with much more expensive systems. The 64C has been physically redesigned with a new slim-style beige case. The full-size typewriter-style keyboard is positioned lower, permitting fast and accurate data entry. A fully featured system, the 64C supports a complete range of peripherals. The expansion port supports Commodore software cartridges, printer, and other interfaces such as MIDI or musical instrument digital interface. The serial port supports printers and disk drives. The cassette port allows the use of existing cassette programs and loading systems. And the 64C provides output to both high-resolution monitors or a standard TV. The 64C can utilize a variety of controllers, such as a mouse, joystick, or trackball through its two control ports. The 64C comes with an 8-octave, 3-voice synthesizer, a noise generator, and a custom graphics chip, allowing the 64C to use sophisticated software that features sound and color within its operation. And of course, the new 64C runs the over 6,000 programs that are available from the original Commodore 64. Music, education, games, financial, word processing, database, it's all currently available. And with over 4 million units of the original 64 installed across North America, new software development will continue to stimulate you and your family for years to come. But the true breakthrough for the 64C is in its new operating system, GEOS, or Graphic Environment Operating System. GEOS is a revolutionary new program that brings to the 64C features and powers similar to the Apple Macintosh and Commodore's Amiga at a cost thousands of dollars less. To accomplish this level of performance, GEOS uses a disk drive for two very advanced functions. The first function is the use of the disk drive as a virtual memory, with GEOS continually transferring information between the 64C and the disk drive. The second function, the compression of the information combined with disk turbo code, allows the transfers to be completed at a high rate of speed. This virtual memory disk turbo effect expands the 64C far beyond the perceived limitations of the basic system memory of 64K. However, as GEOS loads from a disk and uses the disk drive in this advanced manner, a disk drive must be considered mandatory. GEOS puts control of the 64C at your fingertips, creating a desktop environment that removes the need for complex operating commands and structures. All the tools, applications, files, and functions are graphically displayed in the form of pull-down menus and icons. Menus are an efficient shortcut in controlling operations within the system. They are accessed through the pointer by placing the pointer on the command bar, clicking the button, then dragging it down to the function you wish to use. Icons are a representation of applications or files, such as font files, the printer, or desktop accessories. Access is again easily controlled by the pointer, with the icons displayed 8 at a time on the desktop notepad. Within this desktop environment, operations are initiated with a control device connected through the 64C's control port. In this case, the control device is a mouse, although a standard Commodore joystick can be used. The mouse controls pointer movement and object selection, and makes running the 64C a matter of point and click. For example, to open the Preferences function for GEOS, the operator uses his mouse to move the pointer to the control bar. He then selects the menu he wishes to open by clicking the mouse control once. Then move down the menu to the Preferences function and click the mouse again. As you can see, the Preferences function opens for use. From there, control of pointer speed and acceleration, selection of screen colors, setting of the clock and alarm is all accomplished with the pointer. To alter pointer response, pull the pointer to the speed display and place it on the paperclip. Click the mouse once. Then pull the clip along the bar. Click to release. Then move the pointer to change and click again. You will see that the speed at which your pointer moves has increased. This preferences function allows you to customize the GEOS desktop to your own preferences. To select an icon for use, page through the icon display pad by moving the pointer to the page turn control and clicking once. The pages display in either direction, depending on which side of the page turn control the pointer is on. When the icon you want is displayed, move the pointer to the icon and click twice in rapid succession. As you can see, the application or file opens for access. This desktop environment of menus and icons removes the need for complex commands and speeds the use of the 64C. Its simplicity allows even a beginner to be up and running on the 64C in minutes. Printing, formatting disks, transfer of files from disk to disk, or using desktop accessories all become a simple and rapid function involving only one hand. The 64C and its revolutionary new operating system makes the 64 the perfect low-cost computer for small business use. With existing software, the 64C will balance the books, store lists and inventories, print mailing labels, and allow the creation and printing of documents. For educational and home use, the 64C is unbeatable, giving every member of the family a chance to explore, learn, create, and play music, paint, and more. It will give children a great opportunity for growth. Music programs, mathematics software, astronomy programs, language software, educational games, it all exists now. The GEOS software comes complete with GeoWrite, a sophisticated word processor that features word wrap, tabs, insert, delete, cut and paste, and on-screen display of multiple fonts and styles. To open GeoWrite, simply point to the icon and double-click the mouse button. GeoWrite then opens for use. The first display is a dialog box that contains three options: Create File, Open File, or Quit. To begin a new document, move the pointer to Create File and click once. A second dialog box will pop up asking you to name the file. Enter the file name and push Return. You are now ready to begin text entry. GeoWrite also allows text to be moved from other documents into a new document through the text scrap and text album features. When your document is complete, you can close the document folder. Select Close from the File menu. The document folder will close and a dialog box will appear. Choose an option. Note that the document now appears as a file icon on the Workbench notepad, accessible by moving the pointer to the icon and clicking twice. To print the document, simply move the pointer to the file icon. Click once, then pause and click again. Note that a ghost of the icon appears attached to the pointer. Pull the ghost icon to the printer icon and click once. Your document will now print. While GEOS offers you a fast, efficient working environment for word processing, its powers don't stop there. GeoPaint is the graphics section of the GEOS software. GeoPaint gives you the functions and ease of use you'd expect in systems that cost hundreds of dollars more. To open GeoPaint, select its icon from the desktop notepad and click twice. Select Create File, then name the file and return at the prompt. The next screen displayed is the GeoPaint screen. This screen is divided into several boxed areas. The main area is the drawing window, the area in which you work. Above that is the command bar, giving you access to the menus. The left side of the screen displays your drawing tools, which you can select with your mouse. Bottom left is your current pattern indicator. This box shows which pattern will be used by several of the tools, such as your paintbrush and area fill. GeoPaint allows you the power and flexibility to create and manipulate graphics in many ways. You can draw, paint, airbrush, fill areas, enter text, edit in a magnified pixel mode, and erase. You might have noticed that the screen only displays part of the full picture created. In fact, the screen in normal edit mode only displays 1/14 of the total picture area. In this mode, the picture displays the document in the resolution that the graphic will be printed at. However, you can display the full image by using Page Display. As you can see, The full resolution is not available in page display, but it will help in making decisions about layout. As well, the power of GEOS allows you to scroll across the full 8.5 by 11-inch size of the document. GEOS allows you the ability to use GeoWrite and GeoPaint together to create documents that combine the written word with visual backup. Compose, create, then combine to produce documents with impact. To accomplish this is simple for GEOS. Utilizing the photo and text albums, simply call up the photo album. Choose the pre-created graphic you wish to use and paste it into position. The document will store and print with the graphic in place. GEOS also provides the operator with several desktop accessories that make the 64C a complete working environment. The operator can call up a calculator for use at any time, or they can call up a notepad for making rapid reference notes or scheduling meetings. The notepad works in the same manner as the icon display pad, giving the operator the ability to scan through notes quickly and easily, and the notepad prints for hard copy reference. GEOS is not the only piece of software that comes packaged with the 64C. Contained on the reverse side of the GEOS disk is a program called Quantum Link, the best graphic telecommunication system available for the 64C that gives the 64C user access to the Quantum Link network. Quantum Link